Hi friends, welcome back to the shop. I'm Cale. Welcome to episode 2 of Sawdust Smarts, a video series where we share woodworking information with you in a fun and easy to digest kind of way. So in today's 20 questions game, we're going to go over everything from handsaw anatomy to what the heck sanding sealer is used for and a bunch of other stuff in between. So if you're ready, let's play!
Sawdust Smarts. 20 questions coming up. Here are the rules of the game. Sit back and relax. Answer questions and learn about woodworking. Questions get tougher as we go. Watch till the end to be a true winner. Like and subscribe so you don't miss the next game. And the question categories are Shop Class 101, Join the Joint, Would You Believe It, Measure Twice, Think Once, and Brain Grain. And the first category is Shop Class 101, Easy Level. What is the primary purpose of sandpaper? And the answer is smoothing. Which part of a handsaw is used to guide straight cuts? And the answer is the spine. Which saw cut is designed to make cuts along the grain? And the answer is rip cut. What does the abbreviation MDF stand for? If you guessed medium density fiberboard, you're right. Join the joint, average level. What is the function of a jointer? And the answer is to flatten and square. Which of the following is not a common woodworking joint? And the answer is crimp. You do that to your hair. Which of the following adhesives is waterproof once cured? And that answer is epoxy. What is the purpose of a riving knife in a table saw? That's right, to prevent kickback. Would you believe it? Average level. Which of the following is a soft wood? Pine. What is the term for the direction of wood fibers in relation to the surface? Yep, it's grain. What is the primary advantage of quarter sawn lumber over plain sawn? Increased stability. Which sawmill cutting pattern produces the most stable lumber but also the most waste? Rift sawn. Measure twice, think once. It's getting harder. Which tool provides the most accurate measurement of angles? That's right, digital angle gauge. Which tool can also mark angles other than 90 or 45 degrees? The sliding bevel gauge. Which of the following improves the overall accuracy of measuring and marking? Yep, it's practice. What is the typical angle of a standard woodworking chisel bevel? That would be 25 degrees. Next up, brain grain. Hardwood mode. When finishing wood, what is the primary purpose of sanding sealer? To prevent blotching. What is the purpose of relief cuts when cutting tight curves on a bandsaw? To reduce friction. What is the correct moisture content range for furniture-grade lumber in most indoor environments? 6 to 8%. What is the scientific term for the cellular structure responsible for transporting sap upward in wood? Xylem. Thank you for playing. We hope you had as much fun playing as we had making this.
There you go, 20 questions. Hope you learned something. So today we went over what sanding sealer is useful for. You learned about why the spine of a saw is responsible for keeping cuts nice and straight. You learned a little bit about chisel bevels. And you learned about why practice is what's responsible for improving the accuracy and repeatability of your ability to measure and mark over time. So hopefully you learned something today. And if you did, please consider liking and subscribing so you don't miss our next game show. That's it for me, friends. Till next time, peace, love, and sawdust. I'm out.